Well, standing in solidarity with the agitating farmers, you have another group that they want and wish to rather return the awards that they have received and support the farmer move. The cause there, where Shivani is joining us live from the National Capital right outside the Press Club, where award holders from Punjab who want to return their awards over farmers' protests have now been blocked and they are currently staging a dharna. Shivani, over to you for the live pictures.
Yes, we are here at Press Club, outside Press Club, where around 30 sports persons have reached from Punjab. Hockey player Rajbir Kaur is there, Kartar Singh is there, Satnam Singh is there, and many other awardees are there, and they want to go to Rashtrapati Bhavan. They had written a letter to Rashtrapati office for appointment, though they have not been given any appointment, and they want to proceed this procession. They want to take to Rashtrapati Bhavan, but they are being stopped by the police here outside Press Club, and they said they want to return their awards. They have been there are Padma Shri awardees, Arjun awardees in these sports persons, and there are representatives also of different sports persons who could not physically present here, but they want to return these awards. They say that they stand with in solidarity with the farmers who are protesting, and they are against the laws, and they will be going to the borders also, Singhu border, and they will be sitting in dharnas with the awardees, and they say that the laws are against the farmers. They protest with the farmers, and they want to return the awards. So here they were also sitting on a dharna a short while ago, and they said that they want to return the award, and they have come here all the way from Punjab. We are seeing that they are the police is stopping them from proceeding from here to Rashtrapati Bhavan, but they want to go ahead, and they were sitting on a dharna. Also, we were also talking. We had a statement from Kartar Singh, Rajbir Kaur, Satnam Singh, and they all told us that they are with the farmers, and they are showing their mark of protest by returning these awards. We've seen in prior years also, when certain people were not when they were not accepting certain things by the government, they wanted to return their awards. And this time also these awardees, mainly these are sports persons from different sports from Punjab, around 30 of them. Few of them have come here physically, and most of them have sent their representatives, and they say that they are with the farmers on the whole issue, and they want government to resolve. Mainly these sports persons want that these laws which are being the government is talking, we asked them that the government is already holding a dialogue. The communication. So
keep showing us pictures there, Shivani, because I can also see a bus right behind you. Are they planning to take them away in that bus? Because as you were pointing out, that they also had a plan to join the farmer protests at the Delhi borders there in Singhu.
Exactly, these buses are here for taking them to, like by the police. Police heavy deployment is also here outside the Press Club, where these farmers, where these sport persons have come, and heavy deployment has been made. The whole road has been barricaded by the police, and they will stop these sports persons
वापस करने जा रहे हैं। ये पंजाब के पूर्व खिलाड़ी हैं जो
राष्ट्रपति भवन में अवार्ड वापस करने आ रही हैं।
बिल्कुल वापस करने आए हैं। बदौलत जो हमें ये अवार्ड मिला है।
तो मैम ये वजह क्या है जो आपने अवार्ड we will try and talk to these यहाँ पर आए सरकार से आप लोग क्या अवार्ड वापस करने आए हैं? क्या चाहते हैं?
मैम, हम किसानों के लिए आए हैं। किसानों के सभी किसानों के फैमिली के हैं सभी। हम चाहते हैं कि सरकार है जो तीनों काले ऑर्डिनेंस है वापस ले, और किसानों को उनका बनता हुआ हक मिलना चाहिए।
आप लोगों को कोई समय मिला है राष्ट्रपति जी से?
नहीं मैम जी, सरकार की तरफ से आप देख रहे हो, सरकार उल्टा सभी से गुंडागर्दी कर रही है। कोई समय नहीं है। हम पीसफुली आए थे। आज अगर नहीं जाने दिया तो हम पीसफुली वापस जाएंगे, और हमारी दूसरी स्टेटों के खिलाड़ियों से बात हो रही है। हम और ज्यादा बड़ी गिनती में 1-2 दिन में ज्यादा खिलाड़ियों को लेके उनके सभी अवार्ड लेके वापस करने आएंगे। पर
आप लोगों के साथ कितने लोग आए, कितने अवार्डीज आए, सर आप बताइएगा। आप भी यहाँ पर हैं, पहलवानी के खिलाड़ी रहे हैं, आपको पता है कौन सा?
मेरा नाम है हरपाल सिंह, और हरपुरा गांव है गुरदासपुर में। मैं किसान का बेटा हूं, फ्रीडम फाइटर का बेटा हूं, जिन्होंने अंग्रेज सरकार के विरुद्ध आज़ादी की लड़ाई में हिस्सा लिया था। 7 साल की काले पानी की सज़ा काटी थी। हम उस परिवार को बिलोंग करते हैं। मैं नेशनल चैम्पियन हूँ 5 बार और 6 बार ऑल इंडिया पुलिस गेम्स में गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट रहा हूँ और प्रोफेशनल कुश्ती लड़ता रहा हूँ दाराजी वाले प्रोग्रामों में। सारी
क्यों
दुनिया में
नाराज है आप, क्यों नाराज है?
हम नाराज हैं जी, जो काले कानून जबरदस्ती चोरी चोरी चुपके चुपके इन्होंने किसानों के खिलाफ जो मारू कानून बनाए हैं 3, हम चाहते हैं उनको वापस लिया जाए।
लेकिन अभी तो बातचीत कर रही है ना सरकार।
बातचीत में किसान जो हैं हमारे पूजनीय, हमारे
So we see that these sports persons who've come from Punjab, around 30 of them, they are standing in
Yes.
solidarity with the farmers, and they say that they want to return their awards, though they don't have been given any appointment by the Rashtrapati Bhavan, but they are sitting in protest here outside press
So those
club.
pictures right outside the press club where Shivani is reporting live, where these award holders from Punjab, around 35 of them who have come here to return their awards and wanted a meeting to be fixed with the Rashtrapati Bhavan at this point, but that has been blocked because permission that has been denied, and they further wanted to go to the Singhu border to continue with their protest, but they have now been blocked and are staging a dharna right outside the press club. Thanks very much, Shivani, for joining us for the live update.